Today, the discovery in the US was presented to a gathering of over 18,000 American scientists, where my discovery was termed a lead discovery. What else? The federal government, about 5 years ago, Cuba invited us about the non-use of chemical in the treatment of cancer. And the Federal Minister of Health wrote me to say that we know that you are researching into this area. Come and represent us at Cuba. I sponsored 2 of my staff, scientists, to go to Cuba with samples of my drug. I didn't go. And what was Cuba inviting us for? They have discovered a cure for cancer from the sting of a scorpion. I'm sure the sting of a scorpion, they took it through all kinds of chemical analysis to arrive at the cure. Whereas I am just dealing with food material that has no side effect, that has no complication with anything. So if the 2 are presented, which one would you accept to use? So I can give you all kinds of analytical. This same sulfur 6 was tested to have serious effectiveness on the three megabugs of Salmonella, Staphylococcus, and E. coli, which is a major problem in the world. UK is looking for a solution. US is working on an old antibiotics to see how they can convert it to do this work. And yet Nigeria is already ahead of the world. So all we need is collaboration. Let government partner with us so that we can enlarge this. And we have tourists coming here, staying in Nikon. Because of these effects of these 3 megabugs, today, we cure kidney stone, which you'll be operated like this, a human being cut into 2, and the stone removed from the back. This place refuses to heal because of this. They can do other processes, but the simplicity is that you take our combinations with plenty water and you piece out the stone. No form of needle, no form of knife. Second, as a result of that, we now cure fibroid, which 3 ladies can sit together. 2 must have issues about fibroid all over the world. The white ladies, some of them, when they are in pain of fibroid, they are crying because they don't want injection. And those are the things we have. You just swallow our combination, the fibroid pain disappears. As a matter of fact, if somebody does not tell you your next menses, you will not be ready. You will just see it at the back and say, mommy, look at some stain. Then you go and change your part. We have done that. And as an implication, we also now take care of fallopian tube blockade, which will undergo operation, but this time, no more operation. You take this product, it goes in there, open the fallopian tube. You can now conceive. Watery sperm by a number of married men have watery sperm, quick ejaculation. All those we now cure with a simple procedure without. Even people that have IVF and have failed IVF, we bring them back online. Because IVF tries to undercut this massive infection to see how they can bring pregnancy. Because if you don't take care of this infection and you go forward, the lady may not be able to be pregnant. And when he gets pregnant, he will abort it because of this thing. And finally, on the comparative advantage of this research of ours, I have mentioned to you fibroid, fallopian tube, the cure for ulcer, which has no cure anywhere. Asthma, I have told you. And what else? Prostate cancer. If you have prostate, what they do is for doctors to yank you here, urologists yank you here. That's surgery, chemotherapy, radiotherapy. But because of what we have done, there would be no need for surgery, chemotherapy, and radiotherapy, the first of its kind anywhere in the world.
So we are getting to that world that there won't be surgical.
No surgical. That is why the name of our hospital with you is African Alternative Medicines Hospital. It's a medicines hospital. No operations at all for all these issues, including cataract and glaucoma of the eye. You use our product, the covering. It works on the optic nerve and clears everything in the eye. The man that is hitherto wearing glasses no longer wear glasses. Then glaucoma and cataracts are also dissolved. And the same product brings weight loss of up to 5 kg in 7 days. 5 kg. You know, weight loss is one of the most difficult things to achieve. But 5 kg in 7 days, you lose your weight. And then it glows your skin beyond human imagination.